Class 8, Science Chapter 3, Synthetic Fibers and Plastics. Animated Science. Take a look around your classroom. Can you name 5 things made of fiber? Take for example your uniform like shirts, socks, sweaters, etc. Are these clothing materials or fabrics made from the same type of fibers? We know that our shirts, socks are made of cotton, which is obtained from cotton plant. Our sweaters are made of wool, which is obtained from sheep. Does this mean we get all the clothing materials from plants and animals? No, we can obtain some of them by chemical methods from sources like petrol too. Let us trace the interesting journey of synthetic fibers and plastics to know more about them. Synthetic fibers. Fibers made by humans by chemical methods are called synthetic fibers. Most of the synthetic fibers are obtained from coal, petroleum, and natural gas. A synthetic fiber is a chain of small chemical units called monomers. Many such monomers are joined together to form a single large unit called a polymer. The word polymer comes from 2 Greek words. Poly means many and mer means part or unit. So a polymer is made of many single repeating units. All synthetic fibers like nylon, rayon, polyester, acrylic, plastic, polythene, etc. are called synthetic polymers. Example: polythene is a polymer whose monomer unit is ethene. Synthetic fibers, types, properties and uses. Rayon. It is semi-synthetic fiber, that is, it is prepared by chemical treatment of wood pulp of pine, spruce or hemlock. It is known by the name viscose rayon, an artificial silk in the textile industry. It has a high texture quality which gives it a bright sheen. Properties. Rayon has the following properties. It is highly absorbent. It absorbs moisture. It is soft and comfortable. It is shiny and lustrous. It is also called artificial silk. It is easy to dye. It drapes well. It is durable and affordable. Uses. Rayon is useful in the following ways: garments or apparels, shirts, coats, dresses, jackets, linings, rainwear, slacks, sports shirts, sportswear, suits, ties, work clothes. Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets, curtains, tablecloths, or with wool to make carpets. Rayon is also used to make bandages. Nylon. Nylon is a synthetic fiber prepared from petroleum, coal, water, and air. It is made of repeating units linked by amide bonds and is frequently referred to as polyamide or PA. A nylon fiber is actually stronger than a steel wire. Properties. Nylon has the following properties. It is very strong. It is the strongest fiber. It is elastic. It does not lose shape even after repeated use. It is lustrous. It is easy to wash. It resists damage from oil and many chemicals. It is low in moisture absorbency. It is durable and affordable. Uses. Nylon is useful in the following ways: apparel, blouses, dresses, foundation garments, hosiery, ski and snow apparel, suits and windbreakers. Home furnishings, bedspreads, carpets, draperies, curtains and upholstery. Others: air hoses, conveyor and seat belts, parachutes, racket strings, ropes and nets, sleeping bags, tents, threads and tires. Polyester. Polyester is a synthetic fiber. It is derived from coal, air, water, and petroleum. Polyester, that is, poly plus ester, is made up of repeating units of a chemical called ester. Esters are the chemicals that give fruits their smell. Although there are many types of polyesters, the term polyester as a specific material most commonly refers to polyethylene terephthalate. Polyester has the following properties. It is strong, it is lightweight, it is elastic, it does not stretch or shrink, it is quick and easy washing and drying, it is crisp and resilient when wet or dry, it is wrinkle-free, it retains heat-set pleats and creases, it is durable and affordable. Uses. Polyester is used in the following ways: garments and apparel, shirts, career apparel, children's wear, dresses, half-hose, insulated garments, ties, slacks, and suits. Home furnishings, carpets, curtains, draperies, sheets, and pillowcases. Other, fire hose, ropes and nets, and bottles. Acrylic. Acrylic is a synthetic fiber made from a polymer called polyacrylonitrile. The polyacrylonitrile polymer is made up of repeated units of acrylonitrile monomer. This fiber resembles wool, so it is used as a cheaper alternative to wool. Acrylic has the following properties. It is soft and warm. It is wool-like. It retains shape. It is quick drying. It is resistant to moths, sunlight, oil, and chemicals. It is durable and affordable. Uses. Acrylic is useful in the following ways: garments and apparel, dresses, infant wear, knitted garments, ski wear, socks, sportswear, sweaters and jerseys. Home furnishings, blankets, carpets, draperies and upholstery. Other, paint, clothing, false nails, bumpers on cars, etc. Plastic. Plastic is a synthetic polymer like synthetic fibers but is more complex. The word plastic comes from the Greek word plastikos and is suitable for molding or shaping. Many objects in daily use from packing, wrapping, and building materials are made of plastic. This polymer is made up of many monomers which are either arranged linearly or are cross-linked. Classification of plastic is as under. Classification on the basis of their reaction to heat. Thermoplastics. These plastics can be melted by heating and thereafter remolded into desired shapes and sizes. They are made up of same type of monomer units which easily break up and rearrange in a similar manner. Example, polythene, polyvinyl chloride or PVC. These are used for making furniture, toys, combs, and various containers. Thermosetting plastics. These plastics are harder and stronger than thermoplastics and can retain their shapes and sizes even at high temperatures. They are permanent insoluble polymers. Example, bakelite. It is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is used for making electrical switches and handles of various utensils. Melamine. It resists fire and can tolerate heat better than other plastics. It is used for making floor tiles, kitchenware, fabrics which resist fire, urea formaldehyde used in plywood. Properties of plastic. Non-reactive. Plastics do not react with water and air, unlike metals like iron, which get rusted when left exposed to moisture and air. They are not corroded easily. That is why they are used to store various kinds of material, including many chemicals. Light, strong, and durable. Since plastic is very light, strong, and durable and can be molded into different shapes and sizes, it is used for various purposes. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. They are widely used in industry and for household articles. Poor conductor of heat and electricity. Plastic does not conduct heat and electricity. That is why electrical wires have plastic covering and handles of screwdrivers are made of plastic. As mentioned above, handles of frying pans are also made of plastic. Disposal of plastic. How many times each day do you use something made of plastic? From a toothbrush to a soda pop bottle, from a grocery bag to a garden hose, plastics are part of our daily lives. You already know that plastics are made from petroleum, a non-renewable resource. When plastics are thrown away, they become part of the solid waste that end up in sanitary landfills. Today, many solid wastes, including glass, paper, and aluminium, are being recycled rather than thrown away. However, recycling plastics is a bit more complicated than recycling glass, paper, or aluminium. Microorganisms are not able to decompose man-made articles like plastic. As a result, they keep on accumulating in the atmosphere. They also cannot be burned, as on burning, they release very harmful gases which can be very dangerous for the environment. Thus, these compounds are non-biodegradable. Once hailed as a wonder material, plastic is now a serious worldwide environmental and health concern, essentially due to its non-biodegradable nature. Therefore, we should use plastic very carefully and always keep in mind the 4 principles: reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. Biodegradable. Biodegradable compounds are those compounds which can be decomposed by the action of fungi, bacteria, or other living organisms. Biodegradable compounds decompose into soil. Example, kitchen food scraps, garden waste, paper and egg shells, human and animal waste, and cardboard boxes. Non-biodegradable. Compounds that are not easily decomposed in nature by living organisms are also known as non-biodegradable compounds. Non-biodegradable wastes take a long time or never decompose. They are not environment friendly. Examples of non-biodegradable compounds are metal cans, bottles, toxic chemicals, plastic products, metal scraps,